Hello friends and welcome back to a new unboxing video. Today we have with us here the Master MX or MX Masters 3 mouse from Logitech. He will be joining our pack, as you can see in the background. If I could focus, we already have three mice that will welcome the new edition. This will be our workhorse from now on, and again we'll start with a quick unboxing later on. Once we have the chance to play around with it, we will also have a review of the Logitech. So let's see what we have on the box. Just an image describing the product, as we can see here. If we turn it around, we see that it has Bluetooth capability. It comes with its own USB dongle. If we rotate it once again, we have a high-speed scroll wheel, which I am very interested in trying. I did not have the chance to play with it. One feature that is of interest to me is that it is Windows, Mac, and Linux compatible. I have both Windows and a MacBook machine, MacBook laptop, and this will come in handy. The main thing for me to buy this was the fact that I can instantly switch from the desktop to the laptop, and most likely another laptop quite soon. So nothing out of the ordinary. It's light for a box of this size. It feels light, but let's get our knife and see what's in the box. We have here our trusty knife. Let me open it. Always be careful. Don't cut yourself. I will cut myself for you. Okay, so let's do this away from the hand. Cut this. Put the knife away. And let's see if I can open the box without breaking the box. So it opens like this. We put it down and we slide it. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So a very nice branding, MX branding, Logitech here. I like the feel of it. We have another pull tab over here. I'm not sure if I can get it to focus, but you get the point. And ta-da! And this is the book. And here we have the mouse. Let me make sure that it's in focus. So this is the mouse over here. It is the graphite color, just like the keyboard which we have here to the side. So let's see what we have here. Let me open it. Very interesting texture. Let me get it into focus. It's grippy. I think it will get dirty. Honestly, I will get it quite dirty from use. But sorry, lost focus for a bit. Here we have the description on how to connect it. We can connect it via Bluetooth. That's how we will connect it to the MacBook. We can connect it to using the USB dongle, which I already have one of these unified adapters, I think they're called, from the keyboard. We'll see how that works. So you basically set it up quite easy. We have the buttons here, back and forth. We have a scroll wheel, which I think it's nice. We have a button here. I'm very interested in see if I will actually use it. We have the wheel here. Press. Okay, and that's that. And what's left in the box? It's the dongle that we won't be using. Anything else? We have here. We have the charging cable, which I think it is USB-C. Let's see if I could get. Can I get it to focus? Yes, almost. So we have the USB-C. So I won't be unboxing this. It doesn't matter. Let's get out of the box. So we have the cable. We have some reading material, but I don't think I will be using this because I don't like to read. I'm stupid like that. Let's put everything to the side. Nothing left in the box. So I think we should try to pair it with a MacBook and see how things go for us. Move everything to the side. Let's rip this off. The material, I'm not sure I like it. We'll have to see how it fares up, but I'm thinking I will be getting it quite dirty. But let's see. So we have what do we have here? We have the sensor, we have the pairing button, and we have a switch here to switch between USB and the unified adapter. So I'm thinking that we can, let's see if I do this. Yeah, we have pairing over here. Let's see if we can pair it to the, we see this. I'm not sure if you can see it is blinking, so I will try to pair it to the MacBook. Let me quickly open and I will show you in a second if I can Bluetooth. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Let me also adjust the positioning so you can also see. Okay, the Master MX 3 is already here. I will choose connect. Setup assistant. Let's skip this. Let me also bring up the Logitech options to see if it has been detected. But we already see that it is. So the mouse is moving quite well. We see already have an update available. The clicks. This is the left click. Oh, just 1 second. So let me bring it to the microphone closer. Left click, right click, wheel. It's very interesting. And this is the, let me see if I can bring it again into focus. This is without having the speed wheel active. And now and now basically it moves quite fast. This is the second scroll wheel, back and forth I'm thinking, and this is the thumb button, which I'm already seeing that it performs this review all windows, which is nice already. I'm liking this. I'm not sure if I will find it or I will get used to it very quick, but yeah, it's interesting for now. So let's finish the setup, continue. So we have here the scroll wheel, which automatically shifts from line by line scrolling to free spinning, which is interesting to see. We have the mode, trigger between free spin and fast spin, which is nice. I have to see on documents. Gesture, mission control. So click and hold the button as you move the mouse, perform a gesture. So this is okay, okay, and down, expose, okay. Switch between desktops, but at the moment I don't have two desktops. It's very interesting. I think I will like this feature. This thumb wheel, I'm not sure about it. Scroll horizontally with a gentle turn. We'll have to see how I get used to this. And yes, we have a couple of uses for this. You can use it in Excel, Word, Photoshop. I don't have Photoshop, I have Lightroom and Premiere, but yeah. Back and forward, open link. I think these are rather intuitive. And let's finish the install. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Predefined settings. Honestly, no, thank you. Okay, let's see how this dual link works. No, don't share analytics data. So while the software finishes the installation, let's have another look around the mouse. So the texture is rather rough. I would have expected it to be more or be smoother actually. So let's have 360. I don't have a lazy Susan or how that spinny thing is called, but yeah, we do the best we can here. I'm also curious how Mr. White will like the mouse. He's not present with us, but yeah, he will join in the review for sure. It is a lengthy install. I have to say that it feels rather nice in the hand, giddy. Let me pan down to the mouse. It feels good. Basically, you have a palm grip. It might depend on what you prefer. Let me bring another mouse in the game. So we have here sorry for the dust. We have the Razer Mamba here. So this, yeah, again, you can claw it if you'd like. You can even the palm grip. We have something here which is a little bit older, as you can see from the wear and tear on it. And this is, I think, the Mionix M8300. I think it's been a while. I had it for, I think, 10 years, I think. So it's still perfectly functional. So let me see how the different grip style work. Yeah, this is a bit will be a little bit of will have an adjustment period. Basically, it has, as you can see, it's slightly inclined here, so opposed to this, which you rather stay flat, your hand stays flat. Here you basically do a little bit of, from here you do like this. So it is ergonomic, not fully ergonomic, but yeah, it does have some ergonomic options. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down, and also a comment with what we can improve in the future. Thank you very much again. Have a pleasant day.